Hello! Welcome back again to my channel at ang gagawin natin recipe for today ay pork buns siopao bola-bola. At kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa channel ko, please do subscribe and click the bell button icon para lagi kayong updated pag mayroon akong bagong ina-upload na videos. Okay, so let's get started. Gawa na tayo mga sis! Ayan po ang ating mga kakailanganin. 1 cup warm water, 3 tablespoon sugar. Ayan, mix lang natin. Lalagyan na rin siya natin ng 2 and 1/4 tablespoon of dry yeast. And 1/4 cup of flour, 3 tablespoon canola oil, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1½ teaspoon baking powder, mix until well combined. Yan ang ating dough. Yan, mix well. Yan na yung pinaka-buns ng ating siopao bola-bola. Coat lang natin ng oil ang ating lalagyan. Yan, through po 1 hour hanggang umalsa siya. Dito naman sa ating sangkap, ayan, yung 250 grams minced pork, 2 tablespoon shrimp, 1 medium onion, 1 egg, then 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, and 1 tablespoon of flour. Yan, kailangan natin silang haluin. Yan yung ating magiging palaman na ating siopao. Set aside muna natin. Yan, doon na tayo sa dough. Gagawa na tayo ng ating siopao. Yan, divided to 4 equal portion. Yan. Cover the rest of dough to prevent drying. Yan. Divide to 3 equal portion. And roll into a 5-inch circle. Just like that. Yan. Tapos ilalagay na natin yung ating filling. Yan. Tapos ganyan lang yung ganyang yan. Iganin nyo lang pagsara. Press towards the center and twist. Yan. Yan. Steam na natin for 15 minutes. Just like that. Ayan na siya. Ating siopao. Pork buns siopao. Yummy. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye. God bless us.